My name's Abdulah Sadeik. This is the automated ferrule dipper. Manual ferrule dipping is usually inconsistent. It depends heavily on the operator, and it can lead to variation in depth, reduce repeatability, and potential quality loss. The goal of this project was to automate that process to improve consistency and control. I have a system right here that uses a stepper motor connected to a rack and pinion mechanism, which currently it's not connected because I don't have the frame from the ME side. It uses a vertical control motion. It uses a Raspberry Pi Pico as the controller, sending signals to the motor driver to move up the system up and down. When the system is activated, the motor drives the ferrule downward to set position. Once it reaches the sensor, it stops, then returns to the original position. This creates a repeatable dipping cycle without manual input. Basically, the way that works is I'm gonna demonstrate without having this connected, just through the motor. I have a code that I've written out. You will have a screen that you will enter how long your part is, and it will dip it down to the perfect length. I will enter a 5-inch ferrule, runs the motor down to sends 1,000 pulses through the motor with a quarter step revolution, and then it's gonna go down all the way to 5 inches. Once it reaches the distance, it's gonna stop for 5 seconds, and then once the dip is over, it's gonna return back to its original state. The system demonstrates consistency and repeatability. Now, on top of that, I have a working push button for a stop button for emergencies. I'm gonna enter a 10-inch distance, and I have show off my limit switch. This limit switch, if it goes further down than it needs to be, and it hits a certain length and depth by accident, the limit switch acts as a stopper, and it immediately sends it back to home state. And the e-stop button also just completely kills it.